No matter what weaknesses we might have, we all have our individual strengths that we can harness to become effective public speakers. For example, if you have a good sense of humor, you should by all means use this trait to captivate your audience. A good joke at the beginning of the speech can liven up the atmosphere and grab the attention of the audience. On the other hand, if you are a person of very serious disposition, you too can grab the attention of the audience. Say, if you can state a very serious anecdote about any pressing issue at the beginning of your speech, you will find the audience paying attention. Do not try to change your inherent personality just because you are on stage. When you work on your natural instincts and build them into powerful tools, you will see that all your latent and dormant strengths start manifesting themselves. So look out for your strengths. Some may be visibly obvious and some not so obvious. As you list your obvious strong points and discover your latent ones, you will see that you do have a formidable arsenal at your disposal that can be used to develop your presentation skills and help you connect with the audience. The following slides list out various strengths that you may possess and how to utilize them to improve your presentation. Good presentation is about telling a story, a good story. We all love listening to a story when it is narrated properly and not simply read to us. If you are a good storyteller, you will need to incorporate this habit of good storytelling into your presentation. When you present a story with good examples and visual aids, you can get the audience interested. When you tell a story, you don't have to worry much about the flow and timing of your presentation. Your audience is now more interested in what you have to say than how you say it. As the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Similarly, a speech with visual aids and right images is a very effective means of delivering a good presentation. If you are a visual person, it is likely that you draw flowcharts and diagrams when you are trying to understand something. Incorporate this trait into your presentation. When you plan a presentation, think of effective examples that will help you drive home the message to the audience. Next, give shape to these examples by transforming them into visual aids. Good visual aids will help divert the attention of the audience to the picture being shown, so they are not forced to look at you all the time. If you are very organized, it is likely that your work is also structured and organized in a methodical fashion. When you make a presentation in a highly methodical manner, everything flows smoothly and leaves the desired impact on the audience. When you prepare for a presentation, do your research thoroughly and identify the topics and subtopics you want to talk about. Design your slides or visual aids in a logical and structured manner, and the end results will be a great piece of work. People enjoy presentations that are clear and organized.